The Ramset UltraFix PLUS Polyester Anchoring Kit is a proven commercial anchoring system now available for DIY applications. The trusted solution to hollow brick and hollow block substrates. It has a non-drip formula, fits a standard caulking gun, suitable for use in flooded holes and is VOC compliant. UltraFix Plus is an easy-to-use, multi-purpose polyester adhesive which is formulated using high-performance marine-grade resin and is fast dispensing with fast cure for high productivity. UltraFix Plus should be used with Ramset anchor studs. Ramset anchor studs are available in zinc coating for indoor applications and galvanized for outdoor applications. Thanks to its 360-degree distribution, multi-fit sieves fill the gap left by material blown out during drilling. Let's demonstrate how to install a hose reel on a hollow brick wall. Drill 16mm hole using a masonry drill. Remove cartridge cap and with scissors, cut the internal bladder below the material clip. Screw the nozzle on and load the UltraFix cartridge into the caulking gun. Discharge adhesive to waste until the chemical reaches consistency and colour, indicating the correct mix. Insert multi-fit sieve all the way into the hole. Insert nozzle halfway into the multi-fit sieve and squeeze 5 to 8 times to ensure sufficient anchoring. Rotate the anchor stud as you push it into position up to the minimum embedment line. Leave to harden before loading. For drying times, consult the UltraFix cartridge instructions. The UltraFix Plus kit can be used for various indoor and outdoor applications, including handrails, air conditioning units, TV brackets, gates and external light fixtures. Ramset UltraFix Plus kit is available at all leading hardware stores.